Many sellers use exact match type keywords on Amazon, and that is why exact match type campaigns become more expensive compared to broad match type or automatic campaigns. This is Hasan from Ecomclips, and today I am gonna break down why you should spend more money on your broad match type keywords rather than exact match type. I am gonna show you a real life example here. Here on the screen, you can see that I have taken this year's so far data, and from the graph, I can see that I have spent around 322k, and in return, the sales amount is almost 1.5 million with 21% ACoS. Now, if I want to filter some things, let's say with broad match type, you can see that I have spent around 151k, and in return I got sales around almost 700k with 22% ACoS. Now let's do another filter, for example like with automatic targeting. So for the automatic targeting, I have spent 51k, and in return the sales amount is 329k with only 15% ACoS. So for the automatic campaigns and broad match type campaigns, the results both are very good. Now if I want to see the exact match type campaigns performance, let's click on exact match type. So for the exact match type campaigns, I spent 28k, and in return I got only 100k sales with 27% ACoS. So I can say that compared with broad match type and automatic campaigns, this is the highest ACoS that I got from exact match type campaigns. And this is why I am gonna suggest you to spend more money on your broad match type or automatic campaigns. Let me show you one more thing. Let's try to create a new campaign. Previously, while choosing campaign type, we used to see these three different options like sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. But now we have another option, sponsored TV. Though it's a beta version and we do not get this update for all accounts, so I will try to create an entire video on this topic. Now let's move on to our topic, and let's select sponsored products. Let me add some products for advertising and choose the manual targeting option. So from the keyword targeting option, here let me keep only broad match type for now and remove phrase and exact match type. And for the suggested bids for these keywords, you can see that Amazon is suggesting within this range like 0.40 to 0.80. Within this range, they are suggesting the bits rate for broad match type. Now if I want to select the exact and remove broad, now you can see that some keywords have above $1 bits rate, and also some has almost like 0.80 to $1. So here I can say that Amazon is suggesting higher bits rate for exact match type compared to broad match type. Here maximum sellers use exact match type keywords rather than broad match type. There might be two reasons behind this. Number one, they might be think that if they use exact match type keywords in their campaign, so that there will be less chance of wasting money on like irrelevant search terms. And then number two, if they use exact match type keywords, so there will be no need to check the search terms and add negative keywords. So this is why they are using exact match type. But here I am gonna suggest you please remove exact match type and add broad match type, and then add some keywords. But the main thing you need to follow, like you need to come here once a week and add the negative keywords for your items, so that it will be help to remove the wastage spent. So from the listing, I can say that it's a mock-toe work boots. It's mainly for men and it can be used for construction work. All you know that there have several designs for work boots. For example like mock-toe, steel toe, round toe, construction works, and also for some other purpose. So if anyone search for steel toe work boots, my product will not work. They will not purchase my product because my product is mock toe. And if anyone searches for women's boots, they will not also purchase my product because my product is only for men. So in that case, women's and also like steel toe face, they will be work negatively for my product. So while creating the new campaigns for this item, I can add negative keywords as like steel toe or maybe women's boots, I can use those as negative. So they will not work for my product. So from here, I need to add some keywords as negative phrase. Let's say round toe, and then steel. Also, I can put negative as woman. So these are the keywords that I can add as negative phrase. So this way you can optimize your broad match campaigns and reduce wastage money more. Let me show you one more thing. Let's clear this. From the campaign manager, let me again filter with broad match type campaigns. And let's open this campaign. Now if I want to check this ad group, so from the search terms, if I want to check the search terms of last 65 days, here I can see that 11 size wide range, 12 size wide range, 13 wide range. These are the search terms that I got. But I do not sell wide sizes items. So in that case, wide phrase will be the negative for my product. If I check more search terms like 4E and then steel toe and like lace up, this one, and there are some other search terms like 7.5, 8.5. So these are the terms that do not work for my product. So right away what I need to do, I need to add them as negative phrase so that they will not work for my products. So like this one, Adidas, it's a separate brand. And also like this one, Ariat, it's a separate brand as well. So these are the separate brand. So if anyone search with this brand name, that means they will not purchase my product. So in that case, I need to put them as negative. And this way I can reduce my extra spend on that particular search terms, and that will eventually reduce my ACoS. So after showing this data, what I am gonna suggest you should focus more on your broad match type campaigns. Like you should spend more money on your broad match type campaigns. Just you need to do one thing. You can keep special focus on your broad match type campaigns, and once a week at least you can come to your campaigns, check the search terms and add negative keywords. And this way I hope you can get better result compared to exact match type campaigns. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comments and share this video with others. You can subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics. And also, if you need any help with your advertising content, you can email us via info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.